Hey guys, Molly here with Boudie Shorts and Molly Marie Photography, and I wanted to chat with you today to see, is your price list set up to attract or repel customers and sales, and leaving with your customers actually being happy with their purchase as well. And if you're unsure about the answer to that, then you're gonna gain a lot of clarity from my video today, so I'm super excited to talk with you. So first of all, I'm just gonna come out and say it. I 100% believe that you cannot be successful with your photography business if you are not doing a 4 collection price list and if you are not offering 4 or less products within your price list. You need to KISS. Keep it simple, but I'm not gonna say, keep it simple, student. Because I mean, that really is the truth of it. What I can tell you is that one of my boudoir certified students, when she first came to me, her price list was literally pages and pages and pages. Like, I think it was like 3 or 4 pages, literally, of different options, different products, different collections, different things, okay? If your price list, and I'll show you an example of mine, if your price list is confusing, if your price list is more than just 4 options, then you are definitely doing it wrong. But it's okay because you didn't know better and I'm here to help you, so don't worry. But I just have 4 collections, okay? And within each collection, they either just have 1 product or they can choose between 2 products. So I keep it really, really simple, okay? And I can tell you this, that certified student, when she had pages of pricing, I would ask her, are your customers constantly asking you questions? Are they confused? Do they often tell you that they have to think about it, or they can't afford it, or they have to check with their spouse? And she's like, yes, they do all of those things all the time. And I'm like, that's because your price list, the way it's set up, the collections, the products, it's all way too confusing. Okay, so I want you to repeat after me. A confused mind says no, okay? A confused mind says no. And it's so true, you guys. We are business owners. We make decisions all the time. And so do non-business owner people. And we don't want to make any more decisions than we have to. We have to decide what we're gonna wear, what we're gonna eat, what we're gonna do today. We have so many decisions to make. And they already have to decide on their favorite photos. So having to decide between multiple products, multiple options, cover options, colors, it's way too overwhelming. And how you're going to build a profitable, sustainable, simple, business where your clients are happy and they love the experience and they spend money with you in a way that they're excited to do it because they love the products and in a way that actually supports your business. I mean, what a weird concept, right? This is what you have to do, okay? So I know that the numbers part of running a business is not fun. But what you need to do is obviously stop pricing yourself based on what you think people are gonna pay, based on your own beliefs, other people's beliefs, your competition, and you need to price yourself on what you actually need to make to run your business. You need to figure out, what are your costs of doing, what's your cost of running your business, right? And then you need to come up with your different collections. And I go through all this in great detail and give a template and everything in my Boudoir Certified program, but I'm at least gonna go through the overview with you today. So basically, I have 4 collections. The first collection, I would recommend starting at $997. And I know you guys are probably like, what? Nobody's gonna pay that. You're insane, you're crazy, whatever. Look guys, my business for the last 13 years, small conservative town in Wisconsin. I've helped hundreds, actually probably thousands now, students do collections and price lists just like this. And what I can tell you is it works, okay? So you can have excuses, you can have fear, or you can have results and success. So you can decide to listen to me or not to listen to me, but I can tell you this, I have experience, I know what I'm doing, and I've not only helped my business, but literally thousands of other photographers, men and women all around the world, okay? So now that I got that out of the way, because you're all probably freaking out about $997, the other thing is that you do need to calculate what's going to work for your business. So again, I do have this whole Excel spreadsheet thing in Boudoir Certified, but what you should do is just sit down and figure out what do you need to make per photo shoot. Okay, like what do you need to make per photo shoot? Like how much do you need to make in a year? What do you need to pay yourself? Like what do you need to make to actually pay your bills and live your life and be able to save money and do the things that you need to do, right? And then you can start your collections based off of that. Now, typically you're gonna sell the most of your second collection, so you wanna make whatever your average sale needs to be that second collection, and then you can base the other ones off of that. But what I want you to take away from this is I want you to have 4 collections, and I want to go over products with you really quick. Now, I only offer 3 different products. Sorry, I'm grabbing these. Okay, so I offer a small black album, okay? I offer a large black album, okay? Hang on, I'm running out of space here. I offer a box with pictures inside of it, and I offer wall art, which can be a print or a canvas. Now, what you need to do is keep it simple. So keep the covers black, keep the photos designed real simple, 1 photo per page. Remember to kiss, keep it simple, student, okay? Like I cannot tell you enough of that. Like you need to just have 4 collections and pick 3 to 4 different products. Don't do cover variations. Don't do any kind of variation. You have to keep your business simple and sustainable in order to keep your business running. And not only do you want to keep your business running because you love photography, but your clients need you to keep your business running so they can keep coming back to you for more boudoir photos. So with that said, I will see you on the other side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.